Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can view the answers to your Google Forms in the Google Forms service. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged in. I am logged into my account. I entered Google Forms, and you do this by going to the 9-dot grid next to your profile icon. Once you're here, you want to scroll down all the way, and in the way down in the bottom left, you will see the Forms button. Just click on that, and you will be taken to this screen. Now, here in the middle of the screen, it will say that it is empty in case that you haven't made any forms yet. You will have a plus icon here in the bottom right, but as you can see, I have already made an icon a form, and once you make a form, this is what your screen will look like henceforth. You can start new forms by clicking the blank plus, and yeah, that's pretty much it. However, once you've created a form, and once you've sent it to people to actually be answered, what you want to do is go and open up the form. Since you're the owner, you'll be taken to this screen, which is the form editing screen. You can enter create a new title screen or title for this form, as well as here in the top left you can change the title of the file here. But yeah, you can change the title and subtitle, you can change the questions, edit the questions, add other questions, make them required or not, etc, etc. However, once you're in, you can see the top row here, and in the top row you have the questions, responses, and settings tab. To see the responses, you just have to click on responses. As you can see, I already have 4 from both this account and other accounts, and yeah, you can see it here. All the charts, all the info is right here. Just scroll down to the end, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.